Joining us on the broadcast. Pallavi, I'd like to understand from you, I was just going through the Twitter handle of the Congress party. They've already started building up to Rahul Gandhi's speech in the Lok Sabha, and that becomes really important. And the way they are putting it all is also the fact that he's the return of the mass leader. He's going to be speaking in the Lok Sabha. How does one dissect all of those?
So there were two interesting campaigns on the social media which was released just a short while back, and both of them are clearly building up to a no confidence motion. One by the BJP, which talks about the fact that changing a name of a bad student really doesn't make much of a difference. That student remains dumb, and clearly the pot shot is at the India front opposition, saying that you may have changed your names, but the ills of the UP continue to remain with this opposition front. And I think that's going to be the line of attack which is going to come in from the BJP and from the Prime Minister also. But look at the Congress party. Already they are building up this campaign. I would say it's like almost a timer or a countdown which has begun. And just a short while back, they had a picture of Rahul Gandhi hugging someone who obviously is not very well off. And bas kuch hi der mein, that's their tagline which they use. So essentially projecting Rahul Gandhi as someone who's going to raise and be the voice of the downtrodden, all the backwards. We are also being told that actually since Gaurav Gogoi is the one who moved the no confidence motion, the debate on behalf of the Congress party will be initiated by Gaurav Gogoi and not by Rahul Gandhi. So Rahul Gandhi, who just entered parliament, will be speaking a little later.
Pallavi, I'm really sorry. I'm interrupting you there. We're also putting out visuals of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha that now stand resume after the adjournment that had happened. In the Rajya Sabha, we'd seen some unruly scenes. There was a suspension of Derek O'Brien, the TMC MP. In the Rajya Sabha, now both the houses have resumed.
स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचनाएं प्राप्त हुई है। मैंने स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचना की अनुमति प्रदान नहीं की गई है। सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 2 श्री कृष्णपाल जी।
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 3 श्री नित्यानंद राय जी।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रमांक संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 4 श्री भगवत कराड़ जी।
Honorable Speaker sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 4 in revised list of business for today.
आइटम नंबर 5 श्री शोभा जी।
Shown as serial number 5 of the revised list of business in the Lok Sabha for today on the table of the House.
आइटम नंबर 6 श्री कैलाश चौधरी जी।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की लोकसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख क्रम संख्या 6 पर उल्लेखित पत्र सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 7 श्री अजय कुमार जी।
अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 7 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 8 श्री निशित प्रमाणिक जी।
महोदय, आज की कार्य संचालन की संशोधित सूची क्रमांक नंबर 8 पर मेरे नाम के आगे दर्शाए गए दस्तावेज को सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 9 डॉक्टर हिना गावित।
I rise to present the 7th report Hindi and English version of the Committee on Empowerment of Women 2020-23 on the subject health facilities for tribal women as listed against my name at serial number 9 in today's order paper.
आइटम नंबर 10 श्री रमेश विदुड़ जी।
अध्यक्ष जी, आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध पेट्रोलियम नेचुरल गैस संबंधित प्रतिवेदन 21-22वां आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 11 श्री राधा मोहन सिंह जी।
संख्या 11 में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध रेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 15वें एवं 16वें प्रतिवेदनों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 12 श्री धर्मवीर सिंह जी।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची से क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष तथा यथा सूचीबद्ध शिक्षा, महिला, बाल, युवा एवं खेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।